Moving on, here you can see that there are different grids, right? So this is the AA grid, this is the B grid, this is the C grid, this is the D, and similarly this is 1, 2, 3 and 4 grid. There is also axis, so this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. Similarly, here you can see in 3D window, if you click over here and click on this rotate 3D view, you can rotate it. Okay, all right. So now you can see that, so this is your x direction, this is your y direction, and this is your z direction. So let me explain this grid system. If you see a corner of a room that you're in, for example, if this is the room, okay, so this is the room that you're in, all right, so this is your room, and here you can see that this is the x-axis that is in the ETABS, so this is the y-axis, and in the upward direction this is the z-axis. And here you can see that this is the xy plane, so this over here is the xg plane, and this is the yg plane. Okay, for seeing the plan you have to go to the xy plane. So let me erase these. So suppose that you got a window over here. Okay, so if you have to draw this window in the exact location, what you need the coordinate of this point, you need the coordinates of these 4 corners. If you know the coordinates of these 4 corners, then in that situation you can draw this window over here. So grid here does the same thing. It helps you to give the coordinates of the various points. For example, if you draw a grid line in this face and also in this face, and this face like this, you can know the coordinate of this point, this point, this point, and these 4 corners, right? So this is what grid over here does. So in ETABS, what it has done, so if this is your x-axis and if this is your y-axis, this is the plane, so this is y, this is x. So in the x-axis the grids are named as A, B and C. Similarly in the y-axis the grids are named as 1, 2 and so on. This is the introduction to the grid system in ETABS. So in the next video we'll model a simply supported beam in order to further understand how ETABS grid system works.